So to reset your Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds, all you have to do is put the earbuds in the case, and with the case lid open, you want to go to the back and press and hold that button right there next to the USB-C port for about 20 seconds. Okay, so just ignore whatever you see on the front. You want to press and hold until this light here blinks orange a couple of times. So let's do this together. So I'm going to start pressing 1, 2, 3 now. So just keep holding that button, keep holding. Look out for the light, it's blinking blue, so just keep holding. Just keep holding. There you go. There's the orange blink a couple of times. And now it's off, and then now you can let go. And you have successfully reset, factory reset or hard reset, depending on what you want to call it, your Sony XM6 earbuds. Thanks for watching, and good luck.